Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys have watched my last video, my last review video, I kind of mentioned that I get most of my free products from this website called Totalee, and it's just a website where creators collaborate with companies or brand owners, and they send you products, you film a video after trying it for a few weeks, and you leave your review. So I received more product from Totalee. Obviously, I love free product. I love receiving things in the mail for free, not having to spend any money, trying out new things and kind of seeing what's out there before spending my money on something online that I have no clue about. I don't think there's one person who doesn't like that. I think everybody likes free things. I received the shampoo and conditioner in the mail. This is by Totalee Hair. Totalee is founded by a man named Lee. I can't remember his last name. Rittner, I think. Lee Rittner. I have a brochure right here. Yes, Lee Rittner. So he's a global stylist and a brand architect. He is from Virginia and he moved to LA, and he has worked for like every major awards show. I'm having a hard time thinking today. So yeah, he's worked for a lot of different awards shows. He's worked with a lot of celebrities, and he's even worked with Vera Wang and I can't remember what else. But anyway, yeah, so he is a stylist who basically wanted to create something that he couldn't find in the market, which is a product that is good for every hair type. I'm not that knowledgeable with hair products. I'm not a hairstylist, so I don't know if there are other products now that are good for every hair type. That was the whole point of this. This line has 5 products, I believe. Yeah, 5 products, but I only got 2. So I got the shampoo and conditioner. They also have like a cream elixir, which is like a leave-in thing, a mist, which is just a mist, and then a glow spray, which is also like a mist, but it's like gonna glow, help. Anyway, so I'll tell you guys the products that I got. I got the shampoo and the conditioner. First of all, I do want to say the most important thing to me when purchasing any hair product is if they smell good, and then if the scent lasts in your hair, because I don't like to buy products that smell amazing and you're like, oh my gosh, my hair's gonna smell so good, and then you put it in and then like you can't even smell it for the rest of the day or like ever. So these are amazing. These last in your hair all day long. I use them in Riley's hair, and her hair smells good constantly. Like I wash her hair every other day and sometimes every 2 days, and her hair smells like this the entire time. I don't know how to explain the scent, but it smells amazing. And then before I tell you guys what like the description of each product, I do want to let you know there's no phthalates, no parabens, nothing bad in them. There's no artificial fragrances, which is nice. I have really sensitive skin. I have used these in my hair a couple of times. However, I don't know if it's because my hair is bleached and overly processed that it left like a sticky film. It felt weird. I don't know. It wasn't too bad, but it was just like sticky, which normally doesn't happen. And I also use a purple shampoo and conditioner, so I kind of just stick with those. Also, I did choose these products. It's not like they emailed me and offered to send them to me. I did choose them, so they accepted my request and sent them to me. So I didn't like it in my hair. It did make my hair smell amazing for like the longest time, which I loved, but I just decided to let Riley have these, and they're amazing in her hair. It doesn't give her a sticky film, and her hair smells great all the time. So the wash, which is the shampoo, it gently cleanses and removes buildup while infusing moisture and protecting color. So if you have colored hair, you can use it. The rinse is the conditioner. It nourishes, hydrates, and smooths without weighing the hair down. And then there's Work. It's called Work, I think. I can't read yeah, so it's called Work. It's the cream elixir, and it smooths, protects, and replenishes while weightlessly locking out humidity. There is a mist, and that's the all-in-one styling spray that volumizes, conditions, protects, and holds. And I really want to try the mist because it's a volumizing leave-in. And then there's the Glow, which is a shine mist. So it's obviously gonna create a radiant high definition shine and leave your hair looking very beautiful. So I'm sure the other products smell the same as these, but I don't know. I really do want to try the sprays though, because I love hair mists. But yeah, these They smell so good. When I first got them, I was like freaking out, and I was telling Michael that I was so excited because they smell amazing. And I noticed that like a lot of shampoos and conditioners that I use smell really good, but then they don't leave my hair smelling like that. Like my hair doesn't smell like anything. The ones that I use, actually, they smell really good, but they don't like last in my hair. The fragrance just doesn't last. So yeah, try these if you want something that lasts and smells good. It's good for every hair type, and there's no chemicals in here, nothing bad for your hair. It says on the back here that there are an exclusive blend of naturally derived botanicals, proteins, and peptides. So there you have it. Anyway, that's all I wanted to say. Again, I just want to mention that, you know, I was not paid for this video. I'm simply just reviewing a free product that I've had for a few weeks. My opinions are always 100% authentic and real. If I don't like something, I'll tell you. If there's anything negative about the product, I will tell you. Sometimes I don't even film videos for products that I receive if I don't believe the product is worth purchasing, or if I just personally don't like it, I'm not going to post about it. So that's all I have for you guys. If you have any requests or anything like that, please let me know, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.